Nobody won yet, Lucas.
Where is part of my other habitat?
Oh, over here.
Yeah, that's yours. Oh, look at the black with red. He might win. What? There's the racing guy. He's still working, Lucas, that blue one.
Good.
Oh, he ran off.
Yeah.
Oh.
Excuse me, John.
Yeah. There, I guess. I wonder who will get to the end.
Part of my set. Not part of
And
my
when you
set.
take theirs home, a lot of them will die. You want to record them?
Yeah, sure. Oh, that guy won. That guy won.
Yep, the red guy. Now he's the winner. Remember, he hated winning at first?
Yeah.
Look, he's up here to battle now. There he is.
Now we have to put someone in there.
That one. Yeah. Did it pop up? I don't know. What? Where? Where are we going?
What?
We're going to Walmart. We just got playing with these. Well, you guys, it's going in circles. Well, looks like we have to turn them off.
Yeah. I'm getting this smart one nano.
Just borrow my broken one again then.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Oh, maybe the blue one's gonna win.
Yeah, maybe. Then he'll. What the?
He won. Oh, I hope the white one wins now.
I didn't know that
Yep.
guy was still dead.
Oh, they're fighting through the way.
He won second. Oh, he won second, so he's third. There he is racing.
Come on, little bunny, come on.
There he is.
Oh,
There he is. He's almost dead already. He's getting slow.
Like we have to turn these off.
Yep.
Where are my hex bugs?